Good morning, everybody. In the previous classes, or the last classes that we have been taking, we have been studying about the political parties, how they came into power, how many types of system are there, that is the one-party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. Then we studied about the kinds of political parties. So, national political parties and regional political parties. So we studied that national political parties are those parties which are countrywide, have their units in several states. The party is recognized as national party when it secures 6% of vote and in the Lok Sabha elections, and in 4 states it should win elections, and it looks for the national problems. The regional political parties are parties that are located in a region, one of the federal units. They also have to get at least 6% of vote and at least 2 seats in legislative assembly. And every party is being registered with the election commission, whether it's a national party or a regional party. All parties are given their treated equally by the election commission. They have unique symbols and slogans, and such parties are registered, which are all recognized political parties. So in national political parties, so when we talk about the national political parties of India, so there are 7 national political parties, or 7 national parties in India, which work throughout the nation. So very first is known as Indian National Congress, known as INC, Indian National Congress. Spouses secularism and welfare of weaker sections and minorities. So this party was made. This is the first party, you can say. The Congress word is being used worldwide. The people, the political leaders or the leaders, they use this word Congress to mobilize people and to support people who are weak. They are poor. They cannot fight for their rights. So this party came into existence. So we can say that Indian National Congress is one of the oldest parties of the world. It was founded in 1885. So this is the father of all political parties. All other political parties have come out through this. The leaders came out through the Indian National Congress and made a new party. It played a dominant role in Indian politics for several decades. Decades means one decade is equal to 10 years. So it started in the year 1885. Then 100 years, if you add 100 years, that makes 1985. Then 15 years for 2000, and now 20 more years. So 100 plus 10, 15 plus 20 is equal to 135 years. You can see that it's been running from so many years. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, Indian National Congress sought to build a modern, secular, democratic republic in India. It supports new economic reforms, but with a human face. It works for the development. Currently, Indian National Congress is leading the United Progressive Alliance, known as UPA government, and the other we talk about the NDA government. UPA government as the opposition party at the center. Center simply means when you talk about Delhi. So in Delhi, it is we having an Aam Aadmi Party government. Then on the whole, we are having the BJP government. So this is a opposition party against the BJP or NDA. The INC ruled from 1947 to 1977. After that, we had another government 1980 to 1989, and 2004 to 2014. It has been the running government. It has ruled our nation and shown a lot of progress in agriculture, industries, etc. The second party is the Communist Party of India, known as CPI. It was formed in 1925. It believes in Marxism, Leninism. You heard about the Karl Marx, you heard about the Lenin in Russia. So it takes the policy of those leaders. Secularism and democracy. It supports parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interest of the working class, farmers and the poor. It works in the states of, it has the base in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. but there was a split. There was a split in 1964, and led to the emergence of CPIM, Marxist. That is, you can call it Communist Party. The CPIM opposes imperialism and communalism, and accepts democratic elections as the means for securing the objectives of socio-economic justice in India. It enjoys a strong support in West Bengal, Kerala, and Tripura. And this is especially among the poor, factory workers, farmers, etc. It opposes the new economic policies and free trade. And CPIM has won about 3% of votes and 9 seats in the Lok Sabha in 2014 elections. So you have two parties right now, Indian National Congress and CPI. Study them nicely, learn them, the dates, the years, the leaders, and the others we are going to take in the next class.